I'll stop. We're going to begin with the left hand. We are in B flat major 6/8 time. That means, first of all, we open with an open chord, B flat major, and we are dividing all the notes into two groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And every bar is the same. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. But from here on in, I'll just count to 6, since it is in fact 6/8 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now here are the notes slowed down. 5, 3, pivot on 3, reach B flat with the second, thumb on D, back to B flat, and then the 5th finger replaces the 3rd on F, and that concludes the first bar. 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, and 5. Notice that I sort of slowly move my hand to the right as I play. I don't want to stretch more than I have to. I can't reach all these notes. That's why I make sure to pivot across so that I don't hold any tension in my hands as I do this. Moving on, we have, that's 5, 3, pivot slightly, 2, 1, 2, 3. Next bar. That's 5, 3, 2, 1, back down to 2, and then back to 3. A quick word about that transition from here. Feel free to lift here and come down sort of freely on the next F. Right? You want to be as loose and fluid and comfortable as possible because this piece is so delicate. Any areas where you have trouble, the audience will immediately hear that you do have trouble, and you want to avoid that as much as possible. Keep everything as limber, as comfortable and supple as possible. Okay, so we just did this. Next we have, that's 5, 4, pivot slightly on 4, 2, 1, back to 2, and back to 4. Moving on, G minor. That's 5, 3, 2, 1, back down the same way. Next bar is the same. And that's enough. That's your left. Once you stitch all that together, there's no gap. In fact, the entire piece, or this entire arrangement, is just a long string of 1/8 notes. That's sort of your scaffolding around which you're going to build the right hand rhythm. So here we go with counting with no gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be as relaxed as possible as you play this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your left. Now the right hand. The most beautiful melody for a voice I've ever heard. We begin with a 3rd on B flat. Don't worry about the rhythm for now. Let's just get the notes down. 2, 3, 5. Hold that for a bit. Then we resolve C back to B flat. Very simple, very serene. And here it is when you put it together. Now, the easiest way to learn this, I would say, instead of counting the right hand, because there's so much space between notes, it's best just to learn where the hands interact. So they start together, and it's all left hand from here while you're holding the right. And then together, left, together, together. Then it's all left again. Together, left, together. And then it's all left again. Cool. So if you learn it like that, I think it's impossible to make a mistake because the left hand is always eighths and you just have to sort of align the right hand with the notes I just showed you and you'll be fine. You can replay that as many times as necessary and slow it down. And if you still have trouble, join me on the website and I'll help you out personally. Okay, so that's that. There's, I think, 6 bars? And the pedaling for those bars is also straightforward. We more or less have a harmony change every bar, and so every bar has its own pedal. We start with the pedal down, and then change, and then change, 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 and then keep the pedal down for both of those G minor arpeggiations. Since it's both G minor, since they're both G minor, you don't have to change the pedal for it. Moving on. Okay, the next section we're going to cover on the website. So come and join me. It's free to join. Become a member, join the crew, and finish off this piece. I'll have the whole tutorial series up there, as well as the sheet music. The arrangement I have, or that I'm teaching you right now, is going to be downloadable. So go have a look and subscribe if you think I've earned it. Let me know what you want me to do next, and I thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.